setting time and date for your computer, especially for some computers in which the CMOS battery is not working properly. So the full form is CMOS is complementary metal oxide semiconductor. So CMOS batteries are a small oval type of, not oval, circular type of steel or aluminum battery that resides within a computer, which keep tracks of your, it updates the date and time. It stores, it helps the computer to keep track of the date and time. And whenever you are switching off your computer, the main power supply being your electric current, the current which is the voltage which you are applying to your computer to run your PC. So that is the main power. And when the computer is switched off, the complementary, there is a complementary power source, which is nothing but a metal oxide semiconductor. So semiconductor means holding down the charge. So no, this topic is not about CMOS battery. This is about setting up your date and time in your computer, especially in some cases, in cases where your computer is not being able to update the date and time accordingly. So we can set your data, set the date and time in your computer in this way. We can right click on the bottom right corner of your screen where the time and date is being displayed. You can right click on that notification area and click on adjust date and time, and from there you have to search here something like date and time regional formatting, or let me try this option out, and then additional date and time regional setting, fine, and then change date and time on number format. So see, as you can see that additional setting, okay, will this work? Let me click on it. So time, yeah, from this time you can easily set, let me try once whether it really helps or not. So it's showing 11:38 AM. Let me make it 7:00. No, it's not changing. So how to change date and time? That's a pretty complicated stuff. So 7, no, it's not working. How to set date and time? Change date and time or number. Okay, here it is, set the time and date, this option. So from here change date and time, and I think this will work perfectly fine. If I say it's 7, say 7, then press OK, then OK, then cut it out. Okay, 7:39 AM, it's showing perfectly fine. So as you all can see that to set this particular feature, to set date and time in your computer, it is pretty hard. You have to right click on the notification area on the extreme right corner of your taskbar, then go to adjust date and time, and then from there date and time regional formatting, and then again from here somewhere this option additional date and time regional setting, and then you will have to go to the set date and time. So the easiest way, the way I usually go on to set date and time in my computer is using command prompt. So using command prompt you can set your date and time very easily. Let me show you how. All you have to do is you have to go to the search box. Now to bring the control to the search box, you can press the Windows key and write command. Okay, so command prompt has been showed as a suggestion. Now right click on it and run as administrator. So far so good. Now this is my command prompt. Just simply type time, and the current time is showing 7:40. So I adjusted the time and changed it to some invalid time. Now as I can see in my clock, which is hanging from my wall, from my room wall, that the time now is 11:41 AM. So let me type 11 and then 41, and then let me maybe add some few seconds, say suppose 30, and then press enter. See, it's showing 11:41 and 34, 35, that's the time, it's AM. And in a similar fashion, if you type date and press enter, and you can change the date as well. So let me make it 01, and the year may be 02, and the year may be 99. Then press enter. So see, in my notification area, it is showing in the taskbar section that today's date is February 1, 1999. Let me roll back the changes. I'll be writing again date, and today's date, the date on which I'm recording this video is 18th of August, 18th of September, and the year is 23. Now let me press enter one more time. So hitting the enter one more time, yes, okay, so the date and time has been set accordingly. So you choose yourself, all by yourself, whether you will be going a long way around to set the date and time in your computer, or you will be using a shortcut way, that is by changing the date and time using the command prompt. It's all up to you how you want to change the date and time. More or less in both of the scenarios, in both of the cases, you can the date and time of your computer can be set very easily. So that's all which I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you will like it, and let me know in the comment section which one do you prefer over the other and why. Thank you guys. Happy coding.